The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S63 AMG is the very definition of performance luxury, blending top-tier comfort with raw power and cutting-edge technology. As the flagship performance sedan in the Mercedes lineup, the S63 AMG is more than just a car. It's a statement of status, engineering prowess, and unmatched refinement. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 S63 AMG retains the elegant silhouette that defines the S-Class, but with distinct AMG enhancements. The aggressive Panamericana front grille, massive air intakes, and sculpted hood give the car a dominant road presence. The LED digital light headlights are not only sleek in design, but packed with advanced illumination technology. Along the sides, you'll notice the 21-inch AMG forged wheels wrapped in performance tires, sporty side skirts, and subtle badging that hints at what this machine is capable of. Around the back, quad exhaust tips and a small rear diffuser complete the athletic yet luxurious aesthetic. The car is available in a wide palette of rich paint finishes, including some exclusive AMG manufacturer options that give a bespoke touch. Step inside, and you're immediately enveloped in an atmosphere of luxury and innovation. The cabin is dressed in the finest Napa leather, contrast stitching, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents. The seats, both front and rear, are not only heated and ventilated but come with massage functions, multiple memory settings, and active bolstering to keep you in place during spirited driving. The 2026 S63 AMG features the latest version of Mercedes-amg UX infotainment system, centered around a massive old touchscreen display that seamlessly blends into the dash. It supports voice commands, augmented reality navigation, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Behind the AMG steering wheel sits a customizable 12.3-inch digital driver's display with unique AMG graphics and performance telemetry. For audiophiles, the Burmester 4D surround sound system turns the cabin into a concert hall, with speakers even integrated into the seats to produce vibrations based on bass frequencies. Rear passengers enjoy their own set of luxuries, with ample legroom, powered sunshades, individual climate zones, and entertainment screens. The attention to detail is impeccable, from the hand-stitched leather to the ambient lighting, with 64 selectable colors and animations that react to driving modes or even your mood. It's a rolling sanctuary that doesn't forget its performance roots. Now, let's talk about what truly sets this S-Class apart: its heart. Under the hood, the 2026 S63 AMG houses a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine combined with a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system. Together, they produce an astonishing 791 horsepower and around 1,050 Newton-meters of torque. This allows the nearly 5,300-pound sedan to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.2 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but with the optional AMG driver's package, it can be raised to 186 miles per hour. The hybrid system not only boosts performance but also enables limited all-electric driving for short city commutes. Thanks to the 13.1 kilowatt-hours battery pack, the power is delivered through MG's 4MATKC Plus all-wheel drive system and a 9-speed AMG speed-shift automatic transmission, ensuring smooth yet aggressive gear changes. The air suspension combined with active ride control keeps the car planted during high-speed maneuvers while maintaining limousine-like comfort during normal driving. Rear-wheel steering improves agility at low speeds and stability at higher ones, making the S63 surprisingly nimble for its size. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through mountain roads, this sedan feels equally at home. Mercedes has also equipped the 2026 S63 AMG with a full suite of safety and driver assistance systems, from adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking to semi-autonomous driving capabilities. The car is not just fast and luxurious, but incredibly smart and safe when it comes to pricing. The 2026 Mercedes S-Class S63 AMG starts at around $190,000 USD, but with options and customizations, it can easily cross the $220,000 mark. Given what it offers in terms of luxury, performance, and technology, it competes not just with other super sedans like the BMW M8 Gran Coupe or Audi RS7, but also with some exotic sports cars in terms of power and acceleration. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes S63 AMG is a masterclass in automotive engineering. It delivers thrilling performance without compromising the essence of what an S-Class stands for: comfort, elegance, and innovation. For those who want the best of both worlds, This AMG is not just a car, it's an experience.